I always found the car chase is the most exciting part of a movie, and we just want to show people exactly how much time and effort goes into it. We're at the Willow Springs racetrack. This is a racetrack about 60 miles from Los Angeles. And what we're going to be shooting today is we've got a Porsche Panamera here. It's a customized Porsche that they use this camera and this whole mechanism in TV commercials and in chase scenes. And we're going to show you how they film a chase scene for a movie. So much is done CGI now, but this is the old school way, and it's the most realistic to me. The two cars that we're going to use for the chase scene, we have a Porsche 356.
My name is Rod Emery. I'm going to be driving my 1955 356 Outlaw out on the track today.
And we've got a 2016 Porsche 911R.
My name is Patrick Long. I'm a Porsche factory driver, and I'm here to drive the 911R.
Here's a 1955 Porsche and the latest 2016 911R, and you just see those two moving together, which I don't think anybody's had a chance to see up to this point.
We're going to have one chase the other, and we'll show you how we film a chase scene and what goes into making it exciting.
So this is that kind of burst into the light kind of moment. But as soon as you reveal yourself, we will back off so that you have room to make the left.
If any man wants out, this is the time to do it.
Here we go. Ready here, and action. And across onto the right side of Rod. Nice, good. That looks good, good.
Great, nice job, gentlemen. Patrick, thank you very much. Good luck with your career. Guys, nice job. Yeah, Rod. It's amazing how a 60-year-old Porsche can outrun a 911R with a professional race car driver. It's unbelievable. That's the miracle of television. What does it look like put together? Let's take a look right now. Check it out. Hey CNBC fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Here you'll find videos from all your favorite CNBC shows. Be sure to subscribe by clicking right here. Click on the videos around me and watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.